Go.
Okay, thank you for calling. This is Michelle speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, I'm calling about the 2020 Corolla you guys have for sale.
Oh, you picked a great type to call us on the Corolla. With your permission, I'd like to ask you a couple questions regarding the Corolla you're considering. That way we both know we're talking about the same car. Would that be okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I want to know about the $14,000 you guys have off. Richard?
How familiar are you with the Corolla?
I'm not that familiar with it, Suyapa.
What trim are you looking for?
Probably something that's base, that'd be good enough. As long as it's got a backup camera.
All right. Are you looking for a dark color or light color?
Probably a light color, Tatiana.
Excellent. Have you had the opportunity to drive the Corolla yet?
No, I have not, Samantha.
So the Corolla has a 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty, and additionally it has a 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It gets an average of 33 miles per gallon, and it has an excellent 5-star safety rating. It also has an integrated backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and has 60/40 fold down seats. So if you ever need extra space in the rear for handling any packages or luggage, you can have that extra space.
Oh, great. That sounds great. Philip?
Great, let me do this for you. I'm going to check not only what we have available now in the Corollas, but also what we have incoming. It shouldn't take me but a minute. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine, Drake.
What number are you calling from?
888-555-1212.
Okay, is that your cell?
Actually, it is, Antonio.
In case I missed that number, is there another number I could reach you at?
No, that's the only one I got, Jeffrey.
And can I have your last name?
My last name is Diamond,
And your first name?
is Wu.
Thank you. Can you please just hold up for a moment?
Absolutely, Amir.
Thank you for holding. I just checked and we have a great availability of Corollas right now. Are you currently a Toyota owner?
No, I'm not, Jeremy.
So what are you currently driving?
I'm driving a Ford F-150 floor.
Is that the vehicle you would consider trading in?
Yes. Timmy?
Alright, what is the year of the F-150?
It's 2018.
And how many miles did you have on it?
About 50,000.
Alright. When would be a good time for us to get together?
I don't know. Not sure, Fernando.
As a matter of fact, what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm at work.
Okay, so just to let you know, we have a lot of times available, so afterward you can go ahead and come in.
So you don't want to set an appointment with me, Bill?
Oh, no, I would like to set an appointment with you maybe today after work. Does that work for you?
Sure. What time are you thinking about, D?
I'm going to set an appointment for you on my calendar for 6 p.m. Is that a good time for you?
Yeah, that should be all right, Brian.
For any reason that you're running late or early, can you please call me so I can adjust my schedule?
Yeah, I can absolutely do that, Hunter.
Do you have a pen and paper handy? Write down my name. My last name is spelled W-A-L-S-T-O-N, and my first name is H-U-N-T-E-R. Do you know where we are located?
Actually, I'm not 100% sure, Juan.
So we are located at 21555 Katy Freeway, 77540. And by the way, what is your email address?
My email address is id10t@gmail. Antonio Jimenez.
Also, with your permission, I'm going to send you some information about the vehicle that you are considering to your cell phone, and I look forward to you seeing at 6 p.m. today.
Very good. You completed it.